Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unsuspend your TikTok account. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So First, there are three types of TikTok bans. So first, we have the permanent ban, so not able to log into your account. Next is the temporary ban, restricted to like, comment, and follow. And the last type of ban is shadow ban. So shadow ban, it notice a decrease in followers, views, and engagement. Okay, so there are several reasons for getting banned on your TikTok account. So one of them is you might have violated TikTok's community guidelines by posting illegal content or spam to another users with messages or exceeding the daily comments or follow limits. Okay? So that is one of the reasons why you get banned on TikTok. Okay? So the solutions first is to send email through app settings. So if your account has been temporarily suspended, you will receive an email from TikTok. In this scenario, you can either wait for 24 to 48 hours or contact TikTok customer support and inform them about the issue. So to contact TikTok support, what you need to do is to launch the TikTok application. Go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and select Settings and Privacy. Now what you need to do is to scroll down until you see Report a Problem section. So just go ahead and click on it. And now what you need to do is to click on Account Recovery or any category here that connects with your problem. Okay, so let's just go ahead and go with account recovery. So now what you need to do is to just go ahead and select in either of these options, or you can just go ahead and go to account and profile. And now just go ahead and click on manage account. Or let's just go ahead and scroll down right here and select submit a report. Okay. So now the next thing that you need to do is to briefly describe your problem and wait for the response. Okay. So it usually takes 7 to 9 hours to reach out to the customer queries. Okay. So the next solution that you can do is to sending email directly. Okay. So, if you're not able to log in to the TikTok accounts, you can send TikTok support team emails directly. So, it is recommended for permanent bans. It will also work for temporary TikTok bans. Okay? So, after sending the emails, just wait for a positive response. If you're lucky enough that the data had not to be erased from the system, then you could recover your banned account. Otherwise, it would be impossible to get back your account. Don't quit after you send the first appeal email because you have to frequently send emails to get a response from them. Usually, after TikTok accounts get banned, the user is supposed to appeal the ban within the first few days. Okay, so now if you're experiencing the shadow ban. So if you have been shadow banned, it will usually last for at least 2 weeks. In the first week, you will notice a decrease in followers and views. After that, you will not be able to make new videos and enter tags unless they are public. So what you need to do to fix the shadow ban is first, let's just go ahead and go back right here. So if you want to be safe from TikTok shadow ban, visit their comprehensive community guidelines and see if you have violated any of them. Now, if you find any content that you think may have been flagged or being inappropriate, just delete it. Visit your account analytics to make sure there are no hashtags you are using violent TikTok community guidelines. And lastly, you can also clear the TikTok cache to see whether it works, but it is recommended to reinstall the app on the assumption that you still can't get out of TikTok shadow ban. You should wait for a few more weeks and hope that they reset your account. If it doesn't work, then you can contact customer TikTok customer service. Okay? And the last solution that you can do is to provide ID proof to verify your age. So if your account has been suspended due to age restrictions, you can solve this using by providing ID proof to verify your age. You might have entered an incorrect age while setting up the TikTok account. TikTok gives every user a chance to share a government ID proof with customer support and verify your age. So in case that you have ID proof, your TikTok account will be easily recovered. Okay? And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.